Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today we're finally going to be beginning this Lian-Li 11 dynamic PC build, the Razer edition PC from Lian-Li basically. We've got a few components here that we're going to be putting inside this PC. This will probably be a multi-part series as I don't entirely have everything I need for this PC build. The main part we're missing is a new graphics card. When this new graphics card will be arriving here, I have no idea. And nor do I really know what kind of card it will be. It might be an RTX 2070, 2080, maybe a 2080 Ti. I don't have a clue, man. But one thing I do know is either going to be an EVGA card or an MSI card. Those are the two I'm kind of like leaning towards. But with all that said, I think we should probably begin. We have a lot of things to do. We have to open up this PC case and salvage a power supply from there. That power supply being the ThermalTake Tough Power RGB power supply that can sync up with Razer Chroma, very important. So we have to salvage that power supply from a different PC build and then salvage a bunch of other parts from another PC. It's gonna be a little bit of a lengthy process, but it should all be worth it as this PC is going to look absolutely beautiful with just a crazy amount of RGB all over the place. First of all, shout out to TeamGroup for actually sending out 32 gigabytes of their T-Force DDR4 Delta RGB RAM running at 3200 MHz, 16, 18, 18, 18 for the CAS latency. Beautiful kit of RAM, plenty of RGB, going to be perfect for the build. So 32 gigs of that stuff. We're going to be using the Ryzen 7 2700X CPU on the ROG Crosshair 7 Hero motherboard. That's the one we've been using for quite a while, and I'm going to stick to that motherboard and that CPU combo because I don't have anything else that's any better than that. This glorious RGB power supply from ThermalTake, that ThermalTake have sent over, so shout out to ThermalTake for that. We have a 6-pack of Lian-Li BR Digital RGB fans, so these are going to be going inside the PC build, onto the liquid cooler, all over the place, going to be awesome. Speaking of the liquid cooler, Antec went ahead and sent over their 360mm Mercury RGB all-in-one liquid cooler for us to use in this build. Right, that's the parts list covered. We need to unbox this PC in the Sharkoon Pure Steel case and salvage a power supply, because I'm pretty sure that's where this power supply is. I don't even know really. All right, let's grab the old karambit knife. Let's unbox this guy. If you're wondering why this is packaged up, we've already done a PC build in this, but when I was moving the PC cases to this new apartment, I pretty much packaged everything up as best as I could. Okay. If you actually want to go ahead and check out my PC build in this guy, I'll leave a link in the description down below, as well as a card that you can press on screen now. Oh shit, the power supply is not in here. Well, that was a waste of time. Let's put that back inside. Okay, let's take this PC back where it came from. Okay, we have 3 more cases here. One of them will have this power supply, I hope. Okay, Masterbox MB520, this is empty. Starlight, there's a good chance it might be in the Starlight one. There's definitely quite a bit of weight to this box. Hopefully that's like a good sign. You know, maybe the power supply's in here. Oh, okay, we have a power supply. I see an RGB ring. Which one is this? Oh, ThermalTake, this is the one. We found it. Well. Okay, that's the power supply out. They salvaged all the screws that we need. As for all the other components inside here, we don't need any of them. There we go. Pop this PC case back where it came from. All right, we have our power supply. Put that guy there on the chair. Let's unbox this PC case. Oh, it's already Never mind, we don't have to cut any tape. I thought I'd have to cut some tape for some reason. I'm wrong. This is the bottom of the PC case. As you can see, we have 2 LED light strips beneath here for underglow. Very cool. Let's flip it over actually on this side, because this is tempered glass on both the front of the PC case and the side panel. This is going to be quite the addition to the setup. Damn. Put this packaging stuff away. Look at this case, man. Damn. Right, if I can remember correctly, I have to take off these two screws and pull this back and up. Okay, there is a magnetic dust filter there. Some documentation here that I've already gone over in the unboxing of this PC case, which was quite a while ago. But because I've taken off the top panel, I can simply slide and take out the tempered glass panels now, both for the front and the side. Okay, I'm just going to leave those there for now. Right, so let's flip this guy around. Well, it's much lighter now without all the tempered glass. I need access to the back of the case, so take the side panel off. Right, let's try and fit this RGB PSU in here. We should have all of the cables in here that we need. Right, what would make this easier is if I unscrew these two thumb screws here and then take... Ooh, is there more screws holding this in or no? There is, there's one more at the bottom. And I believe I can take this part off, which will make installing the power supply significantly easier. Make sure the fan is pointing this way, so the power supply can actually freaking breathe. And let's make sure we align all the screws as well. All right, ThermalTake RGB power supply installed, looking good. Right, we have some wonderful RGB fans here from Lian-Li. Let's take a look at these. So we have a controller here. Ooh, what the hell, man? This comes with instructions and everything. Whoa. That's a lot of cables for fans. Here's me thinking, oh, cable management is gonna be easy. Oh, these do look freaking nice though. Ooh, I do like the fans. I'm not complaining. They have an aluminium shroud. There's a reason why it says aluminum there, or aluminium, depending on what part of the world you're in. But yeah, man, these look sick. I am a fan of these. They actually look really nice, man. Ooh. Okay, I'm genuinely so excited for this PC build. Right, let's get these fans taken out of here. These look so nice. Feel really high quality because of this whole aluminium shroud. Okay, let's pop these guys on the floor here and grab our all-in-one liquid cooler from Antec. Mercury RGB. Right, so this does come with its own fans. However, I think I'm going to be sticking to these Lian-Li ones. They look amazing. Right. All-in-one liquid cooler has been unwrapped. Now, I need to figure out the way I'm going to be mounting everything, how this will all be set up. As for where I plan on mounting the all-in-one liquid cooler from Antec here, I'm thinking up here will probably be pretty good. So this is how all the tubes would route. The CPU would obviously be around this area, and this all looks pretty good to me. So next thing I'm going to do is attach all the fans onto here, and I'm going to be setting all of these fans to exhaust to blow through the radiator and out of the top of the case. Before we mount any of these fans, however, Lian-Li included a bunch of anti-vibration rubber pads that you're meant to stick onto these fans. Okay, one fan is ready. It took a little bit of time, but it's all good. The fan's ready. We have our screws here to actually mount it to the radiator. And as for the cables, they're going to be pointing this way. That's what I've decided. All right, once one fan ready, let's put together another one. All right, that's another fan ready. Just look how nice these actually look on camera. Like the aluminium there, all the reflections and everything, like this looks beautiful. All right, that's another fan done. All three ready to go. Let's mount these two. All right, so our beautiful aluminium BR Digital Lian-Li fans are on this Antec 360mm radiator here, all ready to go. We do have to, of course, set the whole motherboard up. That will be in part 2. But what I'm going to do now is get the other 3 Lian-Li fans set up and get them mounted inside of the PC. Okay, so I've just noticed that the fans here are different from the other pack of fans that we just unboxed. Can you maybe see what I'm talking about? These fans here have a black shroud, whereas the fans that we just mounted on the all-in-one liquid cooler from Antec, as you can see, these fans here have a silver shroud. I'm thinking I'm gonna swap the black shroud fans and put them on the all-in-one liquid cooler radiator and put the silver shroud fans over here where they're kind of more in your face. Right, so that's the plan there. Didn't think that they sent me two different types of fans, but not a problem. I mean, they're like identical, it's just that the shroud's a little bit different. Not a problem though. If anything, that might actually be a good thing for us. So I'm gonna attach all these rubber pieces onto these fans, and then we can go ahead and swap everything over. Okay, so the black shroud fans are ready. We just have to kind of swap everything over. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. We didn't get too much done, but we have a power supply, we have the fans mounted. I do probably want to get a few more fans though. Getting like 3 more of these Lian-Li aluminium fans in this PC build would be very nice. So I'm going to see if I can do that. Then we can have a total of 9 fans in here. That's going to be pretty cool. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching. Link in the description to all the stuff featured, all the parts list, everything's down below in the description for you. So be sure to check the links down there if you want to go buy any of the products featured today. But yeah, we'll continue this build in a few days. Part 2 will be released, and hopefully a part 3 as well. Chances are it's going to be a 3-part series. All right, hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.